This is not a weekly what's new. It's don't forget to like, subscribe, to tell your friends, whatever, that kind of stuff. What's this video about? I'm just in my garage. I don't feel like doing. Well, I do feel like doing something, but stupid me. When you get to a certain age, you think your mind thinks you're 20 years old again, and your body isn't. So you think you can do things that you really shouldn't. And what's that old saying? Work smarter, not harder. Well, I didn't work smarter this time. Picked up a what is it? Reclining chair in a box. Try to push it out of my truck, my wife, and I don't know. I think I pinched a nerve in my back, so I'm like, ugh. I've had about 3 days of just like can't really move. I want to get in here to finish working on this thing. This nice switch. I was thinking of getting. I gotta order some wire because I at least want. Like I'm pretty sure I can find blue wire, white wire, yellow, brown, black, and maybe a different color. I want to rewire this, and I gotta order the little dongles going to the end. I don't have any money right now, but I'm gonna order the little wiring kit, and I want to wire this. I put it on the bike because it looks pretty. I think it looks nice on there. It's a genuine OEM switch, because the other one, I know I'm probably boring you with switches, but I've been cleaning up some of these. This one actually came out pretty good. This is a used one, actually. It looks pretty darn good. Here's one I did a test thing on, which you can see they look more. This one I think I covered it with black marker. This one's kind of got some icky marks on it. I don't want to bore you with that. I'm gonna clean off the wiring harness as soon as I get my. The weather's getting better, so I'm gonna start moving this bike into the shed so I can put the. I gotta get one of those little. I'm thinking of going to Harbor Freight, get one of those little lift things, and get some foam. The little. It's a stand for motorcycles. I need one anyway to work on the bike. I was thinking of getting one of those and putting it here so I can put the frame on. And I want to get I think one of the back, the rear subframe of the 86, I probably might work on first. Because part of it looks like it's already got a nice paint job on it. So I might just rough sand it. But if I get the bike in, I'm going to work on the sandblast. First I'm working on the sandblast so I can sandblast all these parts. I want to send at least bare minimum the rear subframe to get powder coated so I can put it all back together. And one of the front triple trees and the forks. I just want to start to get it rolling. At least if I can get a rolling bike in there, I can roll it out with some work and roll it back in and get some of the shit off my bench. The engine, I'm going to attempt to somehow lift it up, and I'm probably going to take the little Dremel wheels and just clean it off. And once I just put a video up of me cleaning off I think it's a clutch section of the engine. I'm going to see clean it off some more because I have my parts cleaner. It should be thawed out. I'm going to clean it all good. Get it, probably rough sand it, and see about painting that with some high heat gray paint. And see how that looks. See what I have to tape off, what needs to be not taped, and yada yada yada. And if it comes out nice, I'll switch it out on the bike. I have the gas tank that I'm going to be putting in. Oh, now that it's nice out, I'm going to put it in vinegar. Clean out. I'm actually going to put it in vinegar and turn it upside down because there's a little bit of surface rust inside the tank. I'll probably slosh it out with some whatever acetone or whatever. Well, not acetone. Something to stop the flash rusting, or I'll just I'll coat it right after. And once I get the thing lined and cured, I'll sand it down and I'll paint it. Give it a good paint job, and I'll get the brand new Serwa tank going so I can take it off, and I'll try pulling the dent out of that one. I have a plan for a dent pulling video, but I'm put it on the other one, and I want to get this bike running some more. But I want to pull the front end off this one because some dork welded the front rack to the triple tree, so I gotta carefully surgically remove the rack's in okay shape. It needs to be torqued back, so it's not too terrible. And I don't know why they made, I understand why they made the rack, because clearly you know, it's kind of a protective feature. But if the 250Rs don't have a rack, I mean, it's a utility bike. But I'm thinking of taking the, I don't know, I'm thinking of making another rack, make it maybe shorter or something. I don't know, a little less utilitarian, or just take it off and drive it without a rack. But I want to get that done so I can get this. Oh, I got to take the rear rack off this and get that one powder coated, and I'll put it on the other bike along with the fenders. And once that's done, I'll start working on this bike. I'm gonna put the other bike together. The 200 here, I have the tank that I got the liner for. That one I soldered the tank. I'm gonna put it in vinegar. See if it. I'm gonna put vinegar in it and see if it leaks first. If it doesn't leak, I'll leave it in the vinegar to derust it, clean it out, and then I will clear coat that one also with casual clear coating. Just messing around with tanks. Then that one I will probably just give a shitty paint job. Just sand it down and repaint it. Nothing fancy. Get that back together, put the carbon, see if it starts. I put the fenders back on, and if I drive it, I might just flip it. I might clean the bike up. I got new cables for it. I'll see if the kids like it. They could drive it. My daughter might want to drive it or not. So there's no clutch on it, so she knows how to pop the thing. And the person I got it off said it was working when they previously parked it and didn't run it again. So, but I like big reds. I don't really want a 200. I have the Reggie around here. They're selling for easily $1,000. So if I clean it up, I might be able to get a little more. Might maybe get another set of fenders for it. I paid almost nothing for it, like literally almost nothing. So, oh, and I gotta call the place and get the seat cover because I don't know what's up with that. I may have forgotten. They sent me an email to send them a PayPal, and I get so much junk mail, it just like flies down. I forgot about it, so I got to call them up. Call the wonderful people at where is it again? High Flight, great company. I just forgot to pay them for the seat cover, and I hope if they ever see this video, I apologize. So on Tuesday, I'll take care of that. I think it was $89, and the seat cover is right. There's the seat cover, brand new. Seat pan, I also have to do a little bit of touch work in the corner. So I'm thinking where the rusted part is, I might just put a bigger, thicker plate in there. Just keep it a little, grind it down, make it look nice. I should, since it's a really nice metal pan, I should try to make a really nice fiberglass copy of it. But instead of putting clear fiberglass, maybe put some dye in there, make a nice black fiberglass seat cover. Probably last longer. With that said, my back is killing me. I'm just like not in the mood. I feel like I'm in my happy place. My garage, it's a freaking mess in here, and I don't care. But once I get that out of here, this can go in. If I get this bike running, I'll put this bike in the garage. Not in the garage. I'll put this bike in the shed, that bike in the shed. The other ones, I'll stand them up, and if I flip this one, I have enough space. At least if I get one of them in the shed, I'll have space to work on the other one. So I don't know. I don't know what I'm going to do if I put this one in the shed and I put the 86 back together. How I'm going to put the other 85 back together. But I'm thinking I'm going to sell the other 85 I have, because the 85, I think the 85 I have has no Reggie, and the 86 has a Reggie. Oh no, wait. The one I'm driving right now has a Reggie. The 86 has a Reggie, and the one I bought off my brother, which I think is that one, 86, that one has a registration also. I got 1, 2, 3 registered. The 200 here has a registration, and the other 86 I scrapped isn't a Reggie. And I have, if I could remember and watch this video in 3 weeks when I edit it, I'd show you a picture of the other 86 roller that I bought for parts. I think the guy said that they stopped. The thing, believe it or not, the tank I think I have back here is in better shape than most of them. And I paid, I think it was like $5 for a wrecker. I had to put wheels on it. They come with wheels. So I put luckily I had a rear set of wheels and a front complete spindle. I put it on there and I was looking at it going, he said the kickstand, the kickstart didn't work. And I was like, well, that's an easy fix, provided it's not something way inside. But I was like, that's just a little, from what I hear, it's not too terrible. And the guy said, other than that was the only thing wrong with it. So I might bring that over here and tear into it and use it as a I don't know, maybe a bike to do videos on, just figure out what I'm doing. But I do have a lot of better projects. Like I said, the sandblaster's got to get done. I need to move that pile of shit out of the way so I can put this Lincoln electrical welder over there. And I don't know. Oh, and I also have I'm making a router sled because I'll be making two, possibly three, maybe four benches. So I'm going to be doing some welding to make some legs, unless I can find a nice cast iron set legs online, which I'm thinking of. But I have a lot of metal in here and steel. I made one last time, and I figure if I make a nice jig, if I can make a nice enough jig, I will make a one jig and just weld it all. Like, so I got to figure out, make some measurements for the last bench I did, and know what angle. If I can make two, four, six, 8 sets of, yeah, 8 sets of legs identical and have enough steel, I'll probably do it, because it's just a flat bar on the top, 2 legs here. I have enough little pads. I should work. But anyway, enough rambling. My back is killing me, and I'm just like, and if this is boring, sorry. If it's not boring, thank you for watching. Thanks for watching my channel, and I hope it gets more interesting for you, because I do this for fun. Just me. So, toodles.